On to First Alert Weather now. A slow climb back to the triple digits, but we knew this was going to happen.
It is. As soon as that rain wraps up, which really starts tomorrow, the heat is on and it will arrive pretty quickly as we get into next week. I do want to give you a couple of map views because, of course, we've been focusing heavily on the flooding that is happening across the Texas Hill Country, South Texas. This was today's flood risk. You'll see it in those areas of pink. That is that level 4 out of 4, highest level of flood risk you can talk when we are talking excessive rainfall outlooks. Look at where that shifts as we get into tomorrow. It's farther to the west, really southwest Texas, so causing problems for them, but the flood risk is a little bit lower. You're talking a 2 out of 4 risk. It'll still be something to watch very closely in those spots, but what this does mean is spots in the hill country, places like Uvalde and also Kerrville, they'll start to get at least a little bit of a break, which is good news because some of those rain totals are really impressive. 27.2 inches near Uvalde along the Dry Frio River. Kerrville picking up 16.6 inches with more actively falling in Kerrville as we speak right now. Again, going to be spots to closely watch into the overnight hours. Make sure you're heeding warnings if you are in the hill country or you are traveling that direction. We have this stalled frontal boundary that will start to wash out through the next couple of hours. Also, this area of low pressure that is eventually going to travel to the north and up into the Rockies. As we zoom in a little bit closer, what you'll notice for us in North Texas is some of that leftover and much lighter shower activity that we've been dealing with. This is all on the northern edge of that area of low pressure that has been pumping shower activity into our region over the last several days. We've been dealing with the scattered shower activity across the area. That will start to taper off as we do head into tomorrow. Now, this afternoon at DFW, we reached a high of 93 degrees. That did still keep us a few degrees below average, but we are going to climb back to normal and eventually above it as this rain tapers. We will be looking at just a few scattered showers primarily west of 35 as we get into the overnight hours and tomorrow morning. By tomorrow afternoon, that shower coverage will be much more isolated in nature. We're talking about 20% coverage as we do get through the end of the day tomorrow. Things to keep in mind, but again, not overly concerned about this shower activity as we do get into tomorrow. Any flood risks would be very localized where those showers do set up. Now, I want to give you a look at your 7-day forecast because you'll notice after that 20% shower chance tomorrow, things dry out. By the weekend, we're back to the mid to upper 90s. Then we head into next week and it is back to the triple digits. 100 Monday, 102 to 103 as we get into the middle of next week. The good news is dew points stay fairly comfortable, so it's not feeling much higher than those actual temperatures.